And we are doing a 6 minutes 100 days drawing
Drawing
challenge.
challenge.
And we're on episode number
87.
Not 80.
Yes, 87.
90.
87.
90.
Let's start with the drawing of
A Sonic and Shadow.
a Sonic and a shadow at one place.
Sonic
This
and
is
Shadow.
gonna be
Sonic and Shadow.
this is gonna be an easy drawing of
Sonic.
Sonic the shadow.
Sure.
Let's get started. We'll need a black sketch pen as always, some colors and a white paper. Should we start?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start.
First.
How do you do
Let's make it like a normal Sonic first.
Yes.
Then just color it
So
different.
there will be a little bit of difference between the Sonic and the other one.
Then
Just follow
her,
us.
the hair.
Just follow us.
Just the hair.
Yeah, just follow us. We start with the nose. Okay. The face. Now the eyes. Be very careful when you draw this drawing. If you are careful and if you do a good one, it's gonna look very nice. Okay. The eyebrows. Yeah.
There, made it.
Good till here? Okay. Let's draw the
Wait.
yeah. Good till here?
Who do you like more, Papa? Sonic or Shadow?
I don't see the cartoons, so I can't say much.
So which one do you like more?
How would I say without knowing them?
Both are super fast.
Okay, so we are done with the drawing.
Yeah.
Now,
The coloring is the most difficult part.
coloring is the most easier part.
The difficult part.
It's easy. We draw a straight line using the purple color from the center.
Blue. You're using blue. Yes. What if we made three type of Sonics together?
I don't know how to do that.
Well, two on the top, one on the bottom.
Yeah, we can be creative.
It's gonna be super difficult.
Okay. Now the shadow.
What the shadow? Shadow.
Mm-hmm.
What is the shadow?
Okay. We use the gray color.
It's actually black.
Mm-hmm.
And we are going to use black for the, what do you say, shadow. Do you know why it's called shadow?
No.
Because he's very stealthy.
Okay.
I think so. I think they are stealthy. It's yeah. Isn't.
Okay.
Doesn't look good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it. This one doesn't work.
No, it works. This is done. Okay. Now we are close to completion. What did you do?
What?
What did you
I didn't do anything. Just like that.
You colored this on some gray. Okay, you continue coloring it, huh?
It's not become.
Okay.
You got the Bobby color.
Am I done? Am I done?
No.
Are we done?
No.
Okay, by the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, like always, do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, add a comment below what you want us to draw next. And if you have been following us in this video and if you have been drawing along with us, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Red Kids Fun Learn Club. And some lucky winners, some lucky drawings, some lucky kids can win some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. So see you on Instagram And in the comments below, let us know what you like about the videos, what you not like about the videos, and what you want us to draw next.
Peach.
Do not do that. Do not do that.
Do not do what? Okay. And let's do this peach. That's great.
What do I need to do?
Yep.
Where is the grey color? Here we are.